Alright, MyATCtv back to you again for another video for Zing. And as you can see, we are in another place, and this time in Guadeloupe. A lot of you have been asking me, where are you from? We don't know this island. So we've decided to give you a tour for a few months. We're gonna be sharing with you some beautiful stuff made here. And of course, from recycled material. We're gonna be using as well a new decor, as you can see behind me. Everything has been made in order to start this new program and show you some pretty cool stuff made from pallets wood. Some of you have been asking as well if we stopped the program. We didn't stop anything. The thing is, as we move from one place to another place, so middle of Europe to the Central America, almost 9,000 kilometers. So as you can imagine, that's a very, very long trip. And in order to send the machine from Europe, from the Netherlands to Central America, it's taking 2 months. So you can imagine that we have to wait and wait. But now I'm pretty happy because we received them last week. So we are ready to go. Guadeloupe here. It's a French island. Some of you know it, eh? I'm French. And I will take this opportunity to share with you some beautiful stuff made from here. When we are talking about recycling, I would have to say that in Europe, it's not really impactful as it could be here. So we've decided to move here for a few months in order to show you some pretty cool stuff. Because here, they are making a lot of cool stuff, believe me. And as they are making a lot of cool stuff here, we will be joining everyone in the game in order to show you some pretty cool design. A lot of natural materials, like bamboo or other things. But you will be seeing me in the wood, cutting everything and recreating some pretty cool and nice design just for you. I would like to also take this opportunity to thank all of you who have been waiting for us, waiting in order to see the next program and the other DIY creation that we'll be making for you. A big thanks as well to the sponsors and partners who have been following us since the beginning in order to bring us more support and come with us as well, because we have a lot of partners living here. So I would like to give all of you a big thanks, and we will show you a lot of cool stuff. As you may know, Guadeloupe is in Central America. So a lot of people didn't know that actually. So that's why I've decided to bring you here with us, and in order to show you all the things, all the island is beautiful, different stuff. So feel free to let me know what you think about that in the comment below. And also a big thanks to the member of the community. Remember, we are a community, a platform, a DIY platform where we are sharing beautiful design, recycled design. So I would like to give a big thanks to all the members. During those 3 months, I was very surprised because even if I wasn't very active online, a lot of them has been posting articles, showing us beautiful stuff. So guys, a big thanks to all of you. And in the Caribbean, on an island, we are very lucky to have beautiful beaches. Beautiful rainforest, tropical rainforest. So in the next sequence, I will be showing you a little bit how it looks like, because I have to. It's just beautiful. And also gold sanded beaches. And we will also try to use the sand, use the natural thing we have here in order to create some beautiful design. As I told you, we're gonna make it happen. And look at this view. When you have this and you're living around a place like this, you can only love nature. And last, but never the least, the tropical rainforest. As you can see, beautiful place. And we will be also making stuff coming from the rainforest. Only beautiful things. And all this in Guadeloupe. Alright, so now that you saw a little bit where we are and what's coming, because we have beautiful videos coming for you, we're gonna be also creating some live video about different things like the carnival in February. We have an entire program just for you in order to bring you with us in the Caribbean and showing you some beautiful DIY design. Alright, I need to dress up first and we can start after that. Alright, so tomorrow is the 1st of December. So of course, we'll be starting with the video that we left over. Then we'll be moving on to some beautiful DIY design with palettes and other materials, as I was telling you. Alright, see you tomorrow.